for me, yeah. It's not you for me. I've been such a party, spent your whole year salary.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I explore the fascinating stories of nature and culture. Today, I am going to talk about the Western Ghats, one of the most biodiverse and ancient mountain ranges in the world. The Western Ghats are a chain of mountains that run parallel to the western coast of India, covering an area of 160,000 square kilometers and stretching for 1,600 kilometers from Gujarat to Tamil Nadu. They are older than the Himalayas and were formed during the breakup of the supercontinent of Gondwana some 150 million years ago. The Western Ghats are not only a geological wonder, but also a biological hotspot. They are home to more than 7,400 species of plants, 1,800 species of animals, and 6,000 species of insects, many of which are endemic and endangered. The Western Ghats are recognized as one of the 8 hottest hotspots of biological diversity in the world by UNESCO, which also declared them as a World Heritage Site in 2012. The Western Ghats have a profound influence on the climate and culture of India. They act as a barrier that intercepts the monsoon winds from the Arabian Sea, bringing abundant rainfall to the region and creating a variety of ecosystems, from tropical rainforests to grasslands to dry deciduous forests. The Western Ghats have been inhabited by humans for thousands of years and have witnessed the rise and fall of many civilizations and empires. The Western Ghats have been a source of inspiration and spirituality for many religions and cultures, such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Christianity, and Islam. The Western Ghats have also been a battleground for many wars and conflicts, such as the Anglo-Mysore Wars, the Maratha Wars, and the Indian independence movement. The Western Ghats are facing many threats and challenges in the present day, such as deforestation, habitat fragmentation, poaching, mining, dams, pollution, climate change, and invasive species. These threats pose a serious risk to the biodiversity and livelihoods of the people who depend on the Western Ghats. There is an urgent need to conserve and protect this natural heritage for the present and future generations. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the Western Ghats. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.